I am rubbing. I am rubbing. I am rubbing lotion on my hands. I am rubbing lotion on my hands. I am clapping. I am clapping. She's clapping after the performance. She is clapping after the performance. I am pushing. I am pushing. He is pushing the heavy box. He is pushing the heavy box. I am pulling. I am pulling. They are pulling the rope in tug of war. They are pulling the rope in tug of war. I am holding. I am holding. I am holding the baby carefully. I am holding the baby carefully. I am squeezing. I am squeezing. She is squeezing lemons for juice. She is squeezing lemons for juice. I am folding. I am folding. She is folding the laundry. She is folding the laundry. I am peeling. I am peeling. She is peeling the egg for breakfast. She is peeling the egg for breakfast. I am picking. I am picking. I am picking flowers in the field. I am picking flowers in the field. I am scrubbing. I am scrubbing. She is scrubbing the tiles with a brush. She is scrubbing the tiles with a brush. I am tapping. I am tapping. She is tapping her fingers on the table. She is tapping her fingers on the table. I am mixing. I am mixing. They are mixing flour and water for dough. They are mixing flour and water for dough. I am pouring. I am pouring. I am pouring tea into a cup. I am pouring tea into the cup. I am shaking. I am shaking. He is shaking the bottle before use. He is shaking the bottle before use. I am grating. I am grating. He is grating cheese for pasta. He is grating cheese for pasta. I am chopping. I am chopping. She is chopping onions for the stew. She is chopping onions for the stew. I am rolling. I am rolling. I am rolling the dough for the pie crust. I am rolling the dough for the pie crust. I am measuring. I am measuring. She is measuring water for the recipe. She is measuring water for the recipe. I am stirring. I am stirring. She is stirring the coffee before drinking. She is stirring the coffee before drinking. I am plucking. I am plucking. She is plucking leaves in the garden. She is plucking leaves in the garden. I am sewing. I am sewing. I am sewing a button onto my shirt. I am sewing a button onto my shirt. I am knitting. I am knitting. She is knitting a scarf for winter. She is knitting a scarf for winter. I am threading. I am threading. She is threading the needle for sewing. She is threading the needle for sewing. I am sanding. I am sanding. She is sanding the wood for smoothness. She is sanding the wood for smoothness. I am nailing. I am nailing. I am nailing a nail into the wood. I am nailing a nail into the wood. I am hammering. I am hammering. She is hammering nails into the wood. She is hammering nails into the wood. I am screwing. I am screwing. He is screwing a screw into the device. He is screwing a screw into the device. I am tying. I am tying. He is tying his shoelaces neatly. He is tying his shoelaces neatly. I am cutting. I am cutting. I am cutting the wrapping paper for the gift. I am cutting the wrapping paper for the gift. I am pasting. I am pasting. She is pasting paper onto the roll. She is pasting paper onto the roll. I am gluing. I am gluing. She is gluing the parts together. She is gluing the parts together. I am hanging. I am hanging. She is hanging the clothes to dry. She is hanging the clothes to dry. I am zipping. I am zipping. I am zipping my suitcase before heading out. I am zipping my suitcase before heading out. I am unzipping. I am unzipping. She is unzipping her suitcase to unpack. She is unzipping her suitcase to unpack. I am wrapping. I am wrapping. She is wrapping a present for the birthday party. She is wrapping a present for the birthday party. I am unwrapping. I am unwrapping. They are unwrapping their Christmas gifts. They are unwrapping their Christmas gifts. I am lifting. I am lifting. I am lifting the box onto the table. I am lifting the box onto the table. I am dropping. I am dropping. She is dropping dices onto the table. She is dropping dices onto the table. I am picking. I am picking. He is picking chilies from the field. He is picking chilies from the field. I am catching. I am catching. He is catching the ball during practice. He is catching the ball during practice. I am throwing. I am throwing. I am throwing the trash into the bin. I am throwing the trash into the bin. I am blowing. I am blowing. She is blowing out the candles on her cake. She is blowing out her candles on the cake. I am chewing. I am chewing. She is chewing gum while standing. She is chewing gum while standing.